Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your carrier and data allowance so you won't hit surprise caps. Next, open Settings and enable Mobile Hotspot or Personal Hotspot. Name the network clearly. Set a strong WPA2 or WPA3 password and pick 2, 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for speed. Once done, lock the hotspot with that password and make a note of the plan's limits. That prevents unexpected throttling or charges while you begin connecting devices. Now you connect client devices. Find the hotspot SSID and enter the password you created. Once devices are connected, open hotspot settings to view and remove unknown devices and prioritize which device needs bandwidth. Make sure background updates are restricted on both the phone and clients to conserve data. Adjust the access point band if a device needs lower latency, and set an automatic hotspot timeout to save battery. These steps optimize performance and control usage. Finish by monitoring real-time data and battery levels so you avoid surprises. Plug into a charger or use a power bank for long sessions. Secure the hotspot by changing the password periodically and turning it off when not in use to prevent unauthorized access. If a client won't connect, try the one-key troubleshooting move. Reboot your phone and toggle the hotspot off and on, then reconnect the client. If issues persist, check carrier settings and ensure no data blocks or APN problems exist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.